Yeah, you're gonna have to stop us. I'm sorry.
Where are you guys trying to go to?
Anywhere, man. Can you take this to a hotel?
What's behind you?
Hotel?
Oh, he said I went up.
Yeah.
Oh, he is? What does he mean?
He's mean, but he's not.
They got a muzzle. They're gonna put a muzzle on him.
You got a muzzle or something?
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Yeah, be sure to drive around, man. Stop. Yeah. Right there. Right there. Put the muzzle on you. You're gonna go run like it. Come on.
You wanna come over here?
I'm just gonna get behind you.
Okay. Guys, this is the area of East 122nd Avenue in Tampa. This is near Fowler, near USF.
Stephanie, just gotta get up in the boat.
Right now he knows he's trying to save his damn life.
It's okay, boy. Hang on one second.
Come on, mommy's up here. Wait. Come on. You're gonna come up here with me. There you go. Come on, boy. There you go. Yeah. Sit. Come here. Sit.
Pop up there, sir.
You're gonna come in the front.
John, come sit over here. Come here.
Right there between your bags.
You sit right there.
Yeah. Okay. Come on. Move the bag.
Can you push us off?
Ready?
Come on,
Yep.
Dante, sit.
And then hop on and just hang on the side.
John, put his leash on him.
All right, on
Because
you.
this thing goes fast.
It's at your feet, right there. Back. Yep.
Go to safety, boy. Go to safety. Hey! I forgot my teeth!
Well, at least she has a sense of humor.
We have a big long drive over there.
Hey, sir, can you slide that way?
Am I good?
You're good.
Okay. All right.
Get that bag.
I got it. Oh.
Not my best picture from Tampa.
Yeah, this is by University Mall, by USF. Oh my gosh, look at all these people.
With all this weight,
You guys know we couldn't leave a dog.
no, you're good.
All right.
Ugh.
It's just hard to control with so much weight.
Got it. I can try to balance if I get the
So just so you guys know, we're not the only ones